my YouTube friends and my YouTube family. Welcome back, guys, to Mama Jones house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when me say it hot. It hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, I'm doing a little stew fish video, but there's a kick to it. As I said, I have a air fryer here, a Ninja Foodie air fryer that Reef bought me. I've never cooked into it. I just started to cook into it now. I did some burger the other day, so now I'm gonna do some fish. I'm gonna do some snapper fish, guys. So them here, them wash and them clean up already. I'm not gonna do all of this fish though. I'm only doing about 4 of them. So, and this is my season to cook it down into. So I am going to pat dry my fish that I'm going to do, the 4 fish here. I'm gonna pat dry them, and then I'm gonna put some dry rub on them. But before I get any further into this video, guys, I want you to like and subscribe and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. So I am only going to be doing 4 of this fish into this Ninja Foodie here. Never make fish in it before, always fry my fish, but I decide that I am going to try it out and see how it is. They said it take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook, so I'm gonna see how it go, guys. Okay, so guys, I'm patting the fish them dry now, so I'm gonna get my gloves and I'm gonna come with my seasoning and I'm gonna get into the ingredients with you. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm back at it again because my camera was messing around. So for my veggie, I have 3 pieces of sweet pepper, pumpkin, chocho, onion, tomato, and my scallion and my thyme and my okra. So I'm gonna cut these up to do my veggie that I'm gonna put my fish into. But I'm letting the fish sit and soak a little bit till I finish cut up my veggie, because it said it will take 15 minutes to do it. But I'm not even if it's healthy, you know, but the boys then bought me this Ninja Foodie here and I'm trying to do some cooking in it just to see if it will work. I don't want to be cutting and not paying attention to my finger, and then the next thing you know I cut off my finger because this knife is bloody hella sharp. Okay, so that's for that. And the chocho now I want them very thin. Very thin. So guys, I'm back again at it. So now I'm gonna cook my veggie. I'm gonna put my veggie to cook before I do the fish. Okay, so let me get myself some oil. So that they don't burn. I use a tablespoon of Bissell plant-based butter so that it does not burn. Okay. So let this get a little hottish. I'm gonna start with my garlic. My garlic in first. Then I'm gonna do my onion. So guys, I don't know if you could see my veggie, but let me bring it close to how you could see it. You could see my veggie, my pumpkin, my tomato, my okra, my chocho and my sweet pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna and then my onion is in the pot. Here I start with the onion. It's so good. And then pumpkin. Put my pumpkin in. So that's the veggie, guys. So I'm gonna throw some. I'm using some tom yum instead of water, okay? Throw some of that on it. I'm gonna let this cook. So that's gonna be like this. So this is gonna cook down now. While that is cooking down, I'm gonna do the fish while that is cooking down. Let me put my scallion and thyme in there. Okay, my scallion and thyme, and I have a half a Scotch bonnet pepper in there already. Okay, and this is the seasoning that I use for the fish, so I'm gonna just sprinkle some of that in it. Okay, say about 2 teaspoons is good enough. And I'm not putting any salt in there because I cannot take the salt and the seasoning of salt inside of there. I did not put any salt there because the seasoning of salt in there already, you know. So this is it. So I'm gonna cover this up and let this cook, and then I'm gonna go over and do the fish. Okay, so I'll be right back at you guys. I'm back again. The Ninja Foodie a warm up, so it's preheating, I should say. So I'm just waiting for it to finish preheat. So as soon as it finishes preheat, I'm gonna put the fish in. They said it take 15 minutes. Never cooked fish like this before, so this is my first time doing the fish in here. I don't know how it's gonna be, and I hope it turn out good enough. It don't mash up and it don't burn up, you know, because as I said, it's a new thing I'm trying. Oh, okay guys, so please guys, don't come at me. I know it's fish and you have to fry your fish and excavate it, but with the sense of the machine, and don't try to use it, you know what I'm saying? So I got to try to use it. Reef bought me this Ninja Foodie, I guess 2 years ago. He bought this for me and I'm just using it now, you know. I did the burger in it and now I'm doing the fish, you know, just to see how it turned out, you know. So it have one more notch to do, and then it would tell me that it is ready to put the food in. Okay guys, so as soon as it's ready to put the food in, I will come back and show you guys as I go along. Now it's ready. It said to add the food, so I'm gonna add the food in there now. 1, 2. I'm gonna try and see if I could put all 4 fish in there, but it doesn't look like it could take the 4. It looks like it can only take 3 fish. So I'm gonna just put the 3 fish in there. Close it down now. Close it down and let it do its thing. So it give it 10 minutes, it said. Okay, so I'm gonna let it cook and come back and show you what it looked like. So guys, here is the fish, the air fry fish. They look very good. Air fried. Look how them look. Look spiffy. Wouldn't you say so? Yeah, I think so too. So now I am going to put them into the pot with the veggie. Let's put them on top. So there it is, guys. Let me make you see the pumpkin. The pumpkin, the chocho. That's it now on your name. The okra, sweet pepper. So I'm gonna cover this up now and make it steam a bit, okay? And then I'm gonna serve it with some rice for Papa Ari. I'm supposed to enjoy this one, okay? Okay. I kind of make the pumpkin cook out a bit because I like it like that still. So I don't know if Papa Ari are gonna like it like that, but that's the way it is. So anyway, guys, I have it, cover it, let it cook down now, and then I'll be right back when the rice is finished because I'm gonna serve it with some rice. So I'll come back and I will show you guys the finished product. Okay, guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you guys don't miss a post when I post. Okay, so guys, I come to the finish of the food. So I want to show you guys what the fish look like, and I'm gonna plate it and serve some to Papa Ari with some rice. So this is what it look like, guys. Pretty, smell nice too. Hopefully it tastes good as though it look, for the fact that it cooking at the air fryer. Alright, Papa Ari, rice. Okay, that's the fish. And then some veggie.
Yo, sir. Mommy had the taste of one. It be a taste, be taste. Mama Joan, from me I grew up, best fish woman. But I don't cook fish like Mama Joan. Remember me tell you.
It's hot. So guys, this is the end of my video. Papa Ari tasting the air fry fish, you understand, and veggie. You tell me what it tastes like. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. And I'm asking you guys again to please watch this food video and, you know, send something my way. Okay?
It's good, guys. Real good. And what you should do now, you put scotch panic pepper in it and then she can't eat.
Because
Me I taste it. But me I tell you, so some you love it.
yeah, so that's how Papa love it. Papa I like it, hotter pepper. So
pepper.
I am just gonna have a little bit. You know, him and say I'm gonna have the rest. Cause she's another pepper spicy girl. She love her spice.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So anyway, I will see you in my next video. Toodle-doo.